All right, we've got gold pulling back to key support to test it because it was previously resistance. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XAU, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire taking a look at the daily chart for gold. So as we zoom in here, you can see that gold broke out last Friday. I'm sorry. Let me just zoom in here from three lines. This short downtrend line dash, the purple 20 moving average, and the 50 moving average orange, and uh, and an anchored VWAP level as well. We had previously broken out of an earlier anchored VWAP level. So together, this shows a breakout of a potentially significant resistance zone, and today we have a pullback to test prior resistance as support, and so far it is holding. So you can see if I zoom in a little bit more, you can see the orange 50 moving average holding as support. There's also an anchored VWAP level, and price stays above this trend line. Now, notice that it could still creep lower and stay above this trend line. But if it goes below this anchored VWAP, that's another sign of further weakness. So this bull pennant is anticipated to break out to the upside unless there's a drop below this interim swing low here at 3,283. Then it starts to become a failed upside breakout. But until then, a rally above today's high of 3,000, I'm sorry, of Monday's high, 3,375, will signal a continuation of this short-term advance here and a continuation of the retracement of this decline here. And that will set up gold for a potential breakout above the top trend line, triggering the pennant breakout. And then more significantly and further confirmed on a breakout above this swing high here at 3,451. This is going to be a more reliable signal than the trend line breakout. Since the apex of this pennant triangle is getting much closer, the breakout is likely to happen within the next week or so. The closer it gets to the apex without breaking out, the weaker the pattern becomes. So the time to break out is roughly 75% into the pattern, and just eyeballing it, that's roughly around here in about a week or so. So until then, there can continue to be choppy trading, even if there is an advance above this high, because trading is contained within a larger consolidation pattern, and that is impacting the shorter time frame behavior. All right, that is it for gold traders. Have a great week.